stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, the length of 30 inches. A depth of 18 inches. Height of 34¼ inches. Table thickness, we have 2 inches. And measurements for the bottom shelf, we have 25½ inches in length by 10 inches in depth. Please note that the bottom shelf can be adjusted to height. Located on the left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.